Apps in Microsoft Teams. That is what this video is about. But first, I would like to have a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with as many colleagues as you have. Let's talk about apps in Microsoft Teams. Maybe you already seen it, but you can add multiple apps to Microsoft Teams. The most common are like tasks or planner, but also forms. That are the most common that I've seen, but there are multiple other apps. So let's go into Teams. And as you can see, I have a Teams client here, and at the bottom here we see that I have some recent apps, but the apps at the bottom show the new App Center, and the new App Center has a lot of new functionality. As you can see, you see that we have the internet, which is placed here, but also some Microsoft apps. You can see that it's the Microsoft Corporation. But next to that, you see that there are some apps that have a locker next to it. So we see Poly, Mentimeter, Math, whatever you call it. There are a lot of them, and if we browse through the apps, you see that a lot of apps are available. So it used to be that you couldn't see these apps because of the IT security, but now you can see the apps, only you need to request them. For example, if you would like to use Adobe, you can request an approval, and when it's requested, the IT admin gets a notification, which I will show later for IT admins, and then he can approve or make a rule for it, or add it to the global policy. But that's the main thing. If you have installed apps, or you have apps that are available for you, you can go, for example, I have it here. For example, Mural, it's a certified app. I've added it to my tenant already, and I can select to add to a team, to a chat, or to a meeting. So if I select a team, I have to select which team. If I select add to chat, it's going to be added to my chat. Add to meeting, I have to select which meeting. So that's the way how it works. And then it's actually, you can also select it directly from a team. So that's with apps that are available. But as you can see, maybe here we also have workflows, and this is really powerful because here you already have some workflows that can enhance your productivity. So for example, we have data collections, notify a team, instant calendar, so we can schedule a meeting, get the weather, social media, notifications, so welcome new team members, for example. If I click on this, it will show you what it needs, which connections you have to sign in. Let's do it. I'm doing this first time, so I hope it works. And I'm logged in with Debbie, that's correct. Now I have to select a team, for example, and I have to select the team to monitor, team to post to, and a channel, add workflow. And when a new team member comes, the flow will be activated. So that is really powerful in this new situation. Maybe you know Icebreaker app. You could think of something like this for your apps as well. Then at the bottom we have Manage Apps, and in the Manage Apps we see which apps have been added to my profile already and to my teams, which I can use directly. So this for the user part. Let's go to the admin part, where we select the Teams Admin Center, and let's go to Teams Apps and go to Manage Apps. Now, when we open this, if there's a approval, it should be here. But I found out there was a little glitch at this moment. I think it's just a momentarily issue. It will be fixed. So you cannot see if there's a requested. So how can I see if apps are requested? I can click on Requests by User. And I have to do it double because it has to be top down. And as you can see, there are some requests. For example, Lucidchart, I don't know what it is, which I think rather rare because I requested Adobe as well. So I don't know what's happening. But here you see Manage Requests. And here I can say, okay, I need to update the permission policy, or I have to dismiss it because I don't want them to be added. If I go here, then it will open my policies and I can go here and add the apps directly and save them so the users can use them in the global policy, which means that everybody who is a member of the global policy will get the apps. Now, how to check if somebody is in the global policy, and maybe this is a bit farther than it should be, but for this time I will show you. So if I select Debbie, which we have here, we can click on View Policies, and here we will see that the app permission policy is set to global. So we could change it, but I'm not going to do that. So this is one. Now, as mentioned, we have here the managed teams, and normally it will be updated. But at the bottom, they added also something like rules. Here you can select an app submission and it would alert in a channel. So I'm going to try to open it. If it doesn't work, which looks like it, I'm going to load this one because it's almost the same. Only this is different. And here you can see the actions. If I want to open it in the default channel, it will alert in the admin and alerts and notification channel, which will be added to the team once active. Or you can have a webhook and set it to active. If you do that, then there will be a team with app submissions, and all app submissions will be done in here, so you get notified earlier, because I could think of that you are not always looking in the Teams Admin Center if somebody requested the app. So let's go here. That was the video. So I showed you how to request the apps, how to approve them, what to do with them. Please give a like and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your colleagues. I'm very curious, are you using this information or these apps or are you not? What do you think about it? Well, let it know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.